Hey guys, it's Walt, Dirtfoot Racing here. Doing a little lawnmower maintenance this morning. Got to go up and cut some grass tomorrow. And on this Craftsmen T110. This was purchased, I believe we bought this at Lowe's. This was my dad's mower before he passed away. But nevertheless, I need to do some oil. I need to do oil change on it. So I figured, let's check it out and see what's involved with it. Well, they put the oil drain on the engine, down by the frame of the mower itself. And as soon as you go to take the cap off and drain the oil, it goes everywhere. It went everywhere, including on the main pulley off the crankshaft of the engine. Now, if you were to go to start that thing up, there's a good chance you're going to sling oil all over your belt and everywhere else in between. So I'm going to have to take a ride to the local place that sells pipe fittings, and we're going to fix that. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, after some thought and some examination, I found out that if I get a pipe nipple, and extend it out, it's going to run into the steering bar. And if I try to put a 90 on it and swing it down, there's not going to be much room unless I cut a ginormous hole to get the 90 on the piece of the nipple to go down underneath. So I just decided for now to put the plug back in, wiped it up real good. I'll hose everything down with some brake cleaner, cleaned off the oil off the pulley on the bottom, and all right, well, I want to show you something else too. If you ever run into this, these are the factory tires, Turf Saver 2s, Carlisle. On this side is a replacement because I put an object through the sidewall of the original tire. That is a straight up Turf Saver. Now, that's a little more balloony, that's a little more square, a lot more meat on Turf Saver 1 versus Turf Saver 2. Yeah, so this is something to look out for if that kind of thing interests you. Another thing on this mower, the deck back here, if you ever have to grab it and try to lift it, it is sharp on the frame back here. So, I mean, I know that's cheapening everything, but yeah, it's real sharp in the back. I'm thinking about adding a piece of hose back here, because you always have to pick up the back of the mower at some point to slide it over, move it over, whatever. But yeah, we'll come back to this project a little later. Maybe put a nipple at a 90, lift the engine up, make a hole in the deck, drop it through. But that'll be a winter job when it's not so blazing hot out today, like it is today. Yeah, I like that cable tie, bungee, I call them tie wraps because that's a trade name, but cable ties holding the gas tank on. That's something in it, that's high tech. Walk around a little more on something else here. It cuts grass fine. It goes up and down, does all this stuff. Briggs & Stratton engine. Not a grease fitting on the thing anywhere, so that's something else. The next model up has a grease fitting in the front joints, so you can grease the steering joints. Anyway, so far it's been running all right. I've been up there cutting grass on some property we have. Seems to work all right. Plus I've done some stuff back here behind the shop. But yeah, I just wanted to show you about that oil drain thing, because that's just frustrating. It makes it hard to drain the oil in any kind of clean and efficient manner. I mean, it turns into a mess. But hey, that's made in the USA now, huh? Okay. Talk to you guys later. See ya. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, this is a Craftsmen T110 mower, bought it at Lowe's. If you have one of these and you have some issues or some fixes, like the fix for the oil drain, let me know. It'd be interesting to see what other people have done to alleviate the problem of making a mess. I know in some higher end mowers they have valves and places for hoses to attach and all that. So, oh, one thing I want to talk to you guys about, I've been using this Kentex oil, Tentix, how do you say it? I got this from I saw Terrell Fixes All. Terrell uses this oil. He recommended it or talked about it, so I started using it in my mini bikes and my mini bike engines. It's made for air-cooled engines, got zinc in it. I haven't had any oil related problems in any of my mini bike engines, so I'm using it here in this If it's for commercial lawnmowers and stuff, it's got to be made pretty good, because those things get used in some places 24/7 almost. So just something else I wanted to show you guys. So Craftsmen T110, my gripes, my rant. If you like this kind of stuff, like, share, subscribe. We'll talk to you guys later, and see you.